Alrighty, so we're going to take a ball and do a foam roll style warm up on the shins. We're going to start at the left side, clear the close. Make sure that you do not hit the bone. Avoid the bone and just work on that meaty side because that's what you want to do. Now you take the ball, whether it's lacrosse ball, tennis ball, or therapy ball, you place it down. One hand grips, the other hand supports, and then you just go up and down that meaty part, or up and down your shin. Just some nice light and brisk work, because that's what's going to really warm you up. Go and you can do some toe slaps, because some toe slaps are also going to help, because those shin muscles, they help pick up your toe, and you just kind of work the area nice and good. And you could also do these shin drags, because the shin drags are going to allow you to also warm up the shins, and it's also another effective technique. It's a little more firm. Then we switch on to the other side. Once we switch to the other side, you make sure that you get that outer part where the muscle is only. Place the main hand down over the ball, then interlace the fingers. And again, just as a reminder, you just go up and down, light pressure, working the area, warming it up, because it's going to help you for all your activity, whether you need to walk, run, or what have you. Just up and down the area, do the toe slaps to continue to warm up. Remember, it's just light and brisk, because this is a myofascial release style warm up with a ball. Up and down, get those toes slapping away, and then don't forget, you can also do the drags just like that. And if it hurts too much, then you know you're doing it too intensely. Don't let it look like that, because that means you're doing it wrong. If you have to make a face like that, then once you're done, you shake it all off. You can go in someplace else, but otherwise you're done.